Hi there. Today I will guide you how to clear the crash on the helmet. I just bought this helmet from eBay. Biltwell Gringo S. It's very beautiful. With the color is very beautiful, and the feeling using this one is very good as well. But I have a small scratch here, and I'm trying to find a way to clear it. After reading some instruction on the internet, I found out this one. It's F1-CC. I bought it from internet. The price about um, only $2, $2, and now uh, we need some tissues in. Okay, let's try to do it. In order to make sure that we can clear this crash. Okay, to check it. Okay, it's better now. It's already open. So now, firstly, we use the tissues to clean the helmet first. Okay, and please keep in mind that you should rotate circle way like this to make it more clean. And then we use this one. Oh, here to cover a little bit, you see. Okay, because I really love the color of this helmet. It's very classic design, and it's not noisy when you wear it and running the motorbike with high speed. And now, just wait a moment, and then we use the tissue to clear this one. Okay. It's better a little bit. It's better a little bit. It's not really clean. It's not really disappear. And then we can do it again. We do it again. And just wait the moment. Okay. And we can do in several places on the helmet. I have some crash here. Maybe it's useful for some small scratch only. It's not for big crash. So you can use for very small scratch here. And maybe you can use the hand as well. Okay. We can use small scratch. It's not really disappear. It's not really disappear. After using this one on okay, after using this F1-CC, I realized that it cannot make it it cannot clear the crash over here, right? And it just clean the crash. So maybe we should not use this for the helmet. And tomorrow I will come back to test this on my motorbike, a very famous brand in Vietnam, VinFast Clara, and maybe it's better. Okay, but it's not useful to clear the crash on a helmet. Still here.